For generations, tornadoes have defined the Great Plains, America's classic tornado alley. The drama unfolds in late afternoon. The air thickens, clouds boil upward, and the sky turns an ominous green. A supercell forms, its anvil shape signaling the potential for severe weather. Lightning flickers, winds whip, and sirens wail, a sound every resident knows means danger is imminent. The atmosphere holds its breath as a funnel cloud descends, sometimes retreating, sometimes touching down. When it hits the ground, the tornado's roar, louder than a freight train, signals nature's fury unleashed. People huddle in basements, listening as the world above is torn apart. The storm passes quickly, leaving behind calm skies and a landscape forever changed. Homes are splintered, trees twisted, belongings scattered for miles. In Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska, this cycle of destruction and resilience repeats. Communities unite, neighbors help neighbors, and rebuilding begins. This is the enduring image of tornado danger, a rural battle between nature and the spirit of the plains. But as we'll see, this classic story is changing. Tornadoes are no longer just a rural threat, they're on the move. Tornado Alley's boundaries once seemed fixed, but the data tells a new story. The bullseye of tornado frequency is shifting eastward, moving storms into states like Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, and Tennessee. Dixie Alley. Here, tornadoes are harder to see, often striking at night when people are most vulnerable. The risk map is being redrawn, with more storms also moving north into Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and even the Northeast. What was once a contained threat is now widespread and unpredictable. This migration means more tornadoes are hitting densely populated areas, towns, suburbs, and cities. The potential for catastrophe grows as more people and buildings lie in the path. Our assumptions about tornado risk are being challenged. Millions now face a threat they never expected. Understanding this shift is the first step in preparing for a new era of severe weather. Communities must adapt quickly to avoid being caught unprepared. The stakes have never been higher? Why is Tornado Alley shifting? The answer lies in the changing recipe for tornadoes. Warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico is now reaching farther north and east thanks to a warming climate. The jet stream, altered by rapid Arctic warming, is becoming wavier and slower, creating new zones of instability. The traditional dry line is moving east, while increased moisture fuels storms in the southeast and Midwest. These changes make tornado formation more likely in places that rarely saw them before. Scientists' models confirm this eastward and northward migration of tornado-friendly environments. The basic physics of our atmosphere is responding to a warmer world. America's severe weather map is being redrawn in real time. The result? Tornadoes are striking in new places with new intensity. By the 2040s, tornadoes will threaten not just rural areas but major cities. Imagine a supercell forming west of Chicago, feeding on new climate patterns, and spawning a violent tornado that tears through suburbs and heads for the city's heart. Skyscrapers, highways, and dense neighborhoods face a threat they were never built to withstand. The scenario is just as dire in the Northeast, where tornadoes could strike New York City's packed boroughs, overwhelming infrastructure and emergency response. The expansion of tornado risk means millions more are in harm's way. Cities like Indianapolis, Columbus, Atlanta, Philadelphia, and Boston could all face credible tornado threats. The intersection of powerful storms and dense populations is one of climate change's most dangerous consequences. These are not movie scenes, they're plausible futures based on current trends. Preparing urban areas is now an urgent necessity. The danger is no longer confined to the open plains. Our cities must be ready for what's coming. When tornadoes strike communities unaccustomed to them, the human cost is magnified. Inexperienced residents may not recognize the danger or have safe places to shelter. Emergency crews face chaos-blocked streets, overwhelm 911 systems, and widespread destruction. Modern homes, built with lighter materials, are especially vulnerable. Power outages and broken communication networks compound the crisis. The psychological toll is immense. Entire neighborhoods can be wiped out, displacing thousands. Recovery is about more than rebuilding. It's about adapting to a new, ongoing threat. For many, this is not a one-time disaster, but the beginning of a new reality. Communities must learn to live with and prepare for recurring storms. Tornado season is changing, not just where, but when and how storms strike. Outbreaks are happening earlier in the year, and the season is lasting longer into autumn. Communities must now be vigilant for half the year or more. Scientists warn that while there may not be more tornado days, the outbreaks will be more intense and widespread. Fewer quiet days, more days with dozens of tornadoes across multiple states. Emergency resources will be stretched thin as more communities are hit simultaneously. The new normal is defined by greater extremes, quieter lulls, but more violent outbreaks. This demands a new level of preparedness and resilience. The future of tornadoes is longer, more intense, and more unpredictable. We're not powerless. Stronger, safer communities are within reach. Building codes must adapt, requiring homes to be anchored from roof to foundation with simple, affordable hardware. Critical facilities, hospitals, schools, fire stations should be built to withstand tornadoes and serve as community anchors. Storm shelters and safe rooms must become standard, especially in regions without basements. Publicly accessible shelters are vital for those in apartments or mobile homes. Cities can boost resilience by burying power lines and investing in green infrastructure to manage stormwater. Proactive design, not just reaction, is key to surviving future storms. Every new building is an opportunity to save lives. The time to act is now. Forecasting is our best defense in the moments before a tornado strikes. Advances in radar, satellites, and computer models now allow forecasters to predict severe weather days in advance. The next leap, warn on forecast, which could give people up to an hour's notice before a tornado forms. But warnings must be clear, urgent, and actionable. Impact-based alerts that tell people exactly what's at stake. Multiple, redundant warning systems, phones, sirens, radios, ensure no one is left uninformed. Community education is as vital as technology. Drills in schools and businesses, and public awareness campaigns save lives. A weather-ready nation is built on both science and public engagement. As tornado threats evolve, so must our ability to respond. Preparedness is everyone's responsibility. America's shifting tornado alley is a warning, but also a call to action. We have the knowledge and technology to build a safer, more resilient future. Climate action, reducing emissions and transitioning to clean energy, can slow the changes fueling extreme weather. At the same time, we must adapt. Stronger buildings, better warnings, and smarter infrastructure. Preparedness must be a priority in every community, not just the old tornado alley. Our greatest hope lies in human resilience and ingenuity. After every storm, communities come together to rebuild and support one another. The challenge is not just meteorological, it's human. By facing this new reality with courage and collaboration, we can write a new chapter, one of foresight, strength, and hope. The future is not set. Together, we can shape it.